English phrases you're probably saying wrong. Speak more naturally. A 2B1 listening and speaking practice. Hello and welcome to Learn Smarter. I'm Linka, and in this video, we're going to fix some of the most common phrases that English learners often say wrong. These mistakes are small, but they make a big difference. Fixing them will help you sound more natural and confident when you speak. I'll show you the wrong phrase, the correct phrase, a short explanation, and a real-life example. Let's begin and speak smarter every day. Phrase 1. He don't like it. Correct. He doesn't like it. Explanation. Use doesn't with he, she, it, and don't with I, you, we, they. Real-life example. He don't like pizza. He doesn't like pizza. Mini dialogue. Do you want to order pizza? No, he doesn't like it. Let's get pasta. Practice. Say it with me. He doesn't like it. Phrase 2. I didn't went there. Correct. I didn't go there. Explanation. After didn't, we always use the base verb, go, not the past tense, went. Real-life example. I didn't went to school. I didn't go to school. Mini story. Yesterday, I was sick. I stayed home. My friend asked, did you go to school? I said, no, I didn't go. Practice. Say, I didn't go there. Phrase 3. I am agree. Correct. I agree. Explanation. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. So we don't use am. Mini dialogue. That movie was amazing. Yes, I agree. It was so good. Repeat. I agree. Phrase 4. She has 25 years. Correct. She is 25 years old. Explanation. In English, we use is to talk about age. Real life. She has 25 years. She is 25 years old. Context. In some languages, like Spanish or Portuguese, people say, has 25 years. But in English, we say, is. Practice. How old are you? Say, I am years old. Phrase 5. I'm boring. Correct. I'm bored. Explanation. Bored equals how you feel. Boring equals how you make others feel. Real life. I'm boring. I'm bored. Mini dialogue. How was the meeting? Honestly, I was bored. It was too long. Repeat. I'm bored. Phrase 6. Let's meet us tomorrow. Correct. Let's meet tomorrow. Explanation. Let's meet already includes us. Context. Let's meet us. Let's meet. Mini story. Are you free tomorrow? Yes. Great. Let's meet at the cafe at 5. Practice. Say, let's meet tomorrow. Phrase 7. I have a doubt. Correct. I have a question. Explanation. In English, we say question when we want to know something. Doubt is used for uncertainty or disbelief. Real life. I have a doubt. I have a question. Mini story. In class. Teacher, I have a question about the homework. Not. I have a doubt. Practice. Say, excuse me, I have a question. Phrase 8. I didn't knew. Correct. I didn't know. Explanation. After didn't, we always use the base form. Real life. I didn't knew the answer. I didn't know the answer. Mini dialogue. Did you understand the question? No, I didn't know what he meant. Repeat. I didn't know. Phrase 9. He told to me. Correct. He told me. Explanation. Tell does not need to when followed by a person. Example. He told to me. He told me. Dialogue. Who told you about the party? Mark told me. Practice. He told me the truth. Phrase 10. She said me the truth. Correct. She told me the truth. Explanation. Use say for things. Use tell for people. Example. She said me. She told me. Story. I was confused. So I asked my friend. She told me the truth. Repeat. She told me the truth. Bonus tips to fix your English. 1. Don't translate directly from your language. 2. Repeat correct phrases out loud every day. 3. Record yourself and compare to native speakers. 4. Shadow real conversations. Repeat as you hear. Quick recap. Can you spot the mistake? Say if the sentence is right or wrong. 1. I didn't went to work. Wrong, I didn't go to work. 2. He don't like coffee. Wrong, he doesn't like coffee. 3. I have a doubt. Wrong, I have a question. 4. I am agree. Wrong, I agree. 5. Let's meet us later. Wrong, let's meet later. Phrase 11. I'm good in cooking. Correct. I'm good at cooking. Explanation. In English, we say, good at something, not good in. Mini dialogue. Are you good at anything? Yes, I'm good at cooking. I love trying new recipes. Practice. Say, I'm good at cooking. Phrase 12. Can you explain me this? Correct. Can you explain this to me? Explanation. You explain something to someone. Never explain me. Mini story. I didn't understand the topic. I asked my teacher, can you explain it to me? Practice. Say, please explain it to me. Phrase 13. I'm not understanding. Correct. I don't understand. Explanation. Use present simple, I don't understand, for general meaning, not present continuous. Dialogue. Sorry, can you repeat that? I don't understand what you mean. Practice. Say, I don't understand. Phrase 14. I very like it. Correct. I really like it. Or simply, I like it very much. Explanation. Very goes with adjectives, not directly with verbs like. Mini story. Anna tried sushi for the first time. She smiled and said, wow, I really like it. Practice. Say, I really like it. Phrase 15. She is more taller than me. Correct. She is taller than me. Explanation. Don't use more with comparative adjectives ending in er, taller, bigger, faster. Dialogue. Is your sister tall? Yes, she's taller than me. Practice. Say, he's stronger than me. She's taller than me. Phrase 16. Thanks God. Correct. Thank God. Explanation. This is a fixed phrase in English. Thank God, not thanks God. Mini scene. The bus was late, but you still made it on time. You say, thank God I didn't miss it. Practice. Say, thank God. Phrase 17. It depends of the situation. Correct. It depends on the situation. Explanation. Depend on is the correct preposition, not of. Dialogue. Can you come tomorrow? It depends on the weather. Practice. Say, it depends on. Recap, full list. Let's quickly repeat the correct versions of all 17 phrases. 1. He doesn't like it. 2. I didn't go there. 3. I agree. 4. She is 25 years old. 5. I'm bored. 6. Let's meet tomorrow. 7. I have a question. 8. I didn't know. 9. He told me. 10. She told me the truth. 11. I'm good at cooking. 12. Explain it to me. 13. I don't understand. 14. I really like it. 15. She's taller than me. 16. Thank God. 17. It depends on the situation. Now you know 17 common phrases English learners often say wrong, and how to fix them. These are the kinds of phrases that will help you speak with confidence, clarity, and natural flow. Which ones were new for you? Comment below and share your favorite correction. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, speak smarter. Learn faster. This is Lenka from Learn Smarter. See you in the next video.